Hi dear all, we Shardeya Science Academy deals in 11th and 12th physics, also deals in 9th and 10th science and mathematics. So lastly we discuss the voltage, current and resistor. So align with this, today we are explaining what exactly the Ohm's law. So to define the relation between voltage, current and a resistor, the scientist Ohm define a relationship, and this relationship is called as a Ohm's law. So look at the diagram. So this diagram represents the electric circuit, and this diagram or this picture shows the water tank. What we are trying to do? We are trying to do the correlate the analogy. We already know the water tank analogy, and what we are doing here, we are just correlating both the things. So as the water tank having a certain potential, this potential is denoted with the battery. So if water is flowing through the pipe, so the battery resistance is connected with the wire. As water is flowing through the pipe, so same thing here it is that if we are completed the closed circuit, current is flowing through the circuit, and if current is flowing through the circuit, the resistance is offered, means the resistance is called as a opposition of current. So the statement of Ohm's law is that George Ohm found that at a constant temperature, the electrical current flowing through a fixed resistance is directly proportional to voltage applied across it, and also inversely proportional to the resistance. So by knowing any two values of voltage, current or resistor quantities, we can use Ohm's law to find the third missing quantity. So if we want to find out the voltage, so as per the Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. So V represents the voltage, I represents the current, and R represents the voltage. So to find the current as per the Ohm's law, I is equal to V upon R. To find the resistance as per the Ohm's law, R is equal to V upon I. Look at the picture. This picture actually shows us what exactly the Ohm's law. So as per the Ohm's law, voltage is directly proportional to the current. So by replacing this proportionality constant by R, we can write voltage is equal to current into resistor, and this is the statement of Ohm's law. So this picture clearly shows us that whenever we are trying to flow the current, the resistance is offered, and if the resistance is more, the less current is flowing, and if resistance is less, more current is flowing, and this is the conclusion of Ohm's law. Let's we understand the Ohm's law using numerical value. So as the picture shows us that the picture shows the two water tank, the tank with wide pipe and the tank with narrow pipe. So as per the Ohm's law, we are doing the calculation, and at the end we are calculating the current. Observe this tank carefully. So here it is, the value of resistance is only 1 ohm, and here it is in the diagram, the value of resistance is 2 ohm. So if we are comparing this one, so this diagram number 2 means tank with narrow pipe having the more resistance, and due to that more resistance, the value of current is less, and that is actually the conclusion of Ohm's law. Still you are confused in Ohm's law? Look at this picture. So this is actually the simulation for you which explain the Ohm's law completely. So as per the statement, the voltage is directly proportional to the current, and R is basically the proportionality constant. So as per the statement, as we are increasing the voltage, just look at the picture, as we are increasing the voltage, the current is also increasing in this picture. So what this analogy shows us, this is a circuit. The circuit is connected with the battery, means this is a voltage source, and the current is flowing through this resistor. So if we are increasing the amount of voltage, the current is also increases. If we are decreasing the amount of voltage, as we are observing here, as we are decreasing the amount of voltage, current is also decreasing. So this simulation tells us that voltage is directly proportional to the current. If we are dealing with the resistor, so same thing here it is. First of all, we are increasing the resistor, means we are increasing the value of resistor. So as we are increasing the value of resistor, as we are observing, the value of current is also reducing. Means what? As we are increasing the value of resistance, means what? We are increasing the opposition to the flow of current, and that's why the current value is minimizing. If we are trying to reduce the value of resistance, due to that what happens? The current is increases, means what? Less opposition. So by this simulation you can definitely understand what exactly the Ohm's law. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit the YouTube channel and also check the assignment link in description box. Thanks.